Unlock the future of income generation by mastering the art of monetizing Sora AI. Step 1. Dive into the realm of iPod content creation. Sora AI can generate incredibly realistic and engaging video content, opening doors for you to become a freelance video producer for businesses, influencers, or even create your own viral videos for platforms that monetize viewership and add revenue. Step 2. Embrace the freelance revolution. Many businesses are actively seeking individuals who can leverage AI tools like Sora to produce promotional videos, marketing content, or even training materials faster and more cost-effectively than traditional methods. Offer your Sora AI video creation services on established freelancing platforms. Step 3. Innovate with AI for business ventures. Think beyond just producing videos. Can you use Sora AI to create unique product demonstrations, personalized marketing campaigns, or even develop entirely new forms of digital art? Explore licensing your AI-generated content or offering customized AI video solutions as a service. Step 4. Strategize for maximum revenue. Analyze your target audience and identify their needs for video content. Are you focusing on short-form social media clips, longer explainer videos, or something entirely new? Understanding demand will shape your offerings and dictate your pricing. Step 5. Master the secrets. Continuously experiment with Sora AI's capabilities, push its creative boundaries, and stay updated on its advancements. The more proficient you become, the more valuable your services and creations will be, turning Sora AI into a powerful engine for your financial success. Start your journey to an AI-driven income. Today, the opportunities with Sora AI are as vast as your imagination.